Hello guys. So in today's video, as I promised, I'm gonna cover the modular arithmetic concepts. So let's just dive right in. First of all, what is this? You know, let me explain this. 10 mod 2. Let's take first one. This is equal to 1. I mean 0, and 11 mod 2 is equal to 1, and 10 mod 3 equals 1, and 11 mod 3 equals 2, and again I will just write 12 for final. Mod 3 is equal to 0. If you observe everything, you'll find out that these modular arithmetic functions are nothing but the remainders after dividing. So, uh, so the concept in modular arithmetic, uh, the, the whole concept is like this: you divide it. What remainder do you get? Okay. So, uh, you apply logic to all the question, and you can be able to do all the modular arithmetic questions ever just do the one thing I taught you. Now, these was for conceptual exams where they might ask you about the formulas. So for modulo 2, we have this formula n equals 2k plus r, where r is 0 or 1, and here n equals 2 power k into m, where m is odd. These are just formulas, you don't have to understand it. If you know the logic that I taught you before, then you're good to go with all modular arithmetic questions. Okay, for mod 3, we have this. A cube equals a mod 3, so they're not gonna ask you to apply this formula anywhere. These type of questions will only be asked in MCQs. So okay, this has a quite different concept. See, mod 4 is strictly impossible for some cases. X squared plus y squared equals 3. Now this is not possible because you can never match it without taking non-integer values like root of 3 plus, you know, right? Yeah, x equals root of 3 and y equals 0, that works. But you can't quite do it with mod 4, right? So finding square constraints. Okay, mod 8 is just the expanded version of mod 4. You just have to remember this formula, okay? So mod 9, uh, it's just a sum of digits, this formula is only for, ultimately conceptual exams. For normal, concepts and applications, for this is enough. Okay, this is a summary. You can take a screenshot of it. So that's it for today, guys. And again, I'm telling you, if you're attending application type exams like the IMO or the International Mathematical Olympiad, the logic I taught you before is completely enough. You can just apply. I'll upload some daily puzzles. If you solve it, you'll definitely be able to improve in IMO level thinking. So that's it for today, guys. So until then, it's me. So stay tuned for the link for my club, and let's meet tomorrow. Bye.